Hi guys, it's Midnight Trinity here, and I have the last magic mixie that I have of the set. This is another one of the Shimmerverse, and it's got a yellow and pink top. I think it's the last one, which is the Phoenix. There's a chance you can get a different one, but there were only 1,000 of her made, so I don't think I could ever get that lucky. I would love to get that lucky. Here's the first step. Here are her instructions. So you guys can see. Then we put the water. Looks like a sun is her essence. Little sun pieces. Put those in. Then we have her other potion. And her looks like her cosmic essence or charm is a phoenix down. Then you take her little thing off. And then you turn it twice. And then say Magicus Mixes, then press down. 1, 2. Trying to get the glitter to work for you guys. As you can see, we have Pheona, the Phoenix Pixling. Her cosmic element is sun, and the potion power shining self-belief. Pheona shines bright. Her sunshine brings confidence, helping anyone light up a room and rise to any occasion like a soaring phoenix. With a little magic, Pheona ensures that everyone has their moment in the sun. That's beautiful. This is what she looks like. She is a looker. I love her. Look at this. Look at this. Look at her like crystal. It shines, and she's got these like cute little feather head ears. Look at her makeup. Like it's actually insane. I'm trying to get it to focus on her face and nothing else, but it just does not want to focus. And she's got yellow pants, which is different, and then these feather like skirt cover, and then she's got yellow and pink wings. Her hair, all her hair is super soft, and then she's got these little twin tails. And then look at her boots or shoes. These are like so pretty. Like, I don't know how anybody can hate these dolls. These are like one of my favorite lines other than Monster High. I love the dolls from Magic Mixies, and I hope you do too. And if you like my channel and like my content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And put my notification bell so you can always stay up to date. And at the end of the day, I believe in all of you, that you guys can all do good. And you rise from the ashes no matter how many times you fall if you believe in yourself. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Say bye, Pheona. Bye.